Today's video is an unboxing of the IPSY Glam Bag and IPSY Glam Bag Plus for July. Keep watching. Hey babies, welcome to another video, and today is another IPSY unboxing, this time for the month of July 2022. If you've been thinking about getting IPSY, you're not sure, take this video, watch it, and decide whether it's for you. Now, if you're not familiar with my channel, where have you been hiding? Hello. Okay, my name is Kimberly. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and fitness. And if you're into that too, make sure you hit that subscribe button like right now so you never miss another video again. Having said that, here we go right into the video. Okay, babes, so let me just tell you guys, first of all, my hair, I just pulled it up because I wanted something different, but it needs to be washed. It's all bad. Don't look at that. It's not about that. Let's just keep it moving. IPSY! These are the bags for July. Yes, and I think I'm going to be able to post this on time in the month of July, which would be fabulous, right? So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to be showing you guys what came in these bags, starting with the Glam Bag. And how cute is this bag, guys? I would just get this subscription just for the bags. I have so many of these now, and they're perfect makeup bags. You can change it up, switch it up, put them in your handbag, and it's just... that's a whole different story, but moving right along. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna grab one item out of there. Glam Bag has 5 mini items in it, and this is the first one. It is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And if you're into makeup like me, then you know that this is a best-selling primer. It is highly recommended by makeup artists and all that stuff because it's really, really good. You just put a thin layer over your cheeks and over your skin, let it sit 15 seconds, and then put on your makeup for a flawless finish. This mini size is 8 ml. The big size is 30 ml and costs $42 in the store. So it's always cool if you can try the mini version before investing in the big one, right? So that's really, really, really cool. So that's number one. The next product, I already know about this product. I received it before. It's the Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. And if you have not tried this mascara before, then you really should, because I love it. It's one of my favorites. And I actually learned about this mascara from getting one of these samples. And I actually tried it, and it's a really, really good mascara. If you're into mascara, make sure you check out the different reviews I have on my channel. I'll link some videos up here for you to check out, because I am always looking for the perfect lash that is not a falsie. This is what the mascara wand looks like. This is a volumizing mascara that's gonna bang. That's gonna, give you like a major boost in your lashes. So awesome. Always love getting these. Next in the IPSY Glam Bag was the Brightway Energizing Brightening Eye Cream from Kinship. Here we go. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's unpack it here. This illuminates the eyes. It's an illuminating eye cream, so it brightens your eye. It hydrates, which is always good because the skin underneath the eyes tends to get kind of dryish, and once it dries, then all your wrinkles show, which is a no. But this reduces the appearance of dark circles too. Clinical results. 91% of the people who tried this showed improvement in the appearance of the dark circles under their eyes. I love when they put stuff like that on there because it just makes it so amazing. I love the yellow packaging. That's just awesome. This is always good. So if you're struggling with dark circles under your eyes, some people naturally have darker circles. Always worth the try. And then there is this pencil. I wasn't sure if this was part of the Glam Bag Plus or the Glam Bag, but I just put it in the Glam back. It's from Prestige, and it's the waterproof automatic eyeliner. And I'm actually in the market for a new eyeliner. So this is the pencil, and this is not in black. It's smoky green, guys. This is what it looks like. And let me just swatch it. And that's supposed to be like a smoky green, but it really looks kind of grayish on my skin. I really don't think this looks like green, but that's all good. Always nice to have a little bit of difference and not really black and something, you know, sometimes you just want something different. The last item that came in the Glam Bag is from Gold Faden MD, and it's the Vital Boost Moisturizer. The full version of this product is $68. Yes, and the full version is 50 ml, and this one is 15 ml. So you can try it, and if you like it, you can get the big size for $68. That's a lot. That's a lot, but so worth it for good skincare. So now this has vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry in it. It evens out your skin tone, it says here. You have to use a nickel size amount on your face and your neck. And it basically combats hyperpigmentation. Like if you have a lot of, you know, darker spots on your skin, then you can use this, and this might help minimize those. Now, I have dark spots on my skin, and I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but they're freckles, and I like my freckles. I don't want them to go anywhere. I'm fine with it. If you have spots and you don't like them and you want to get rid of them or minimize them, this might work for you. So those were the 5 items that came in the Glam Bag. And now I'm going to show you guys what came in the Glam Bag Plus. The Glam Bag Plus. We're still in the full summer mode. We're still in full swing of summer. Summer is my favorite time of the year just because I love the weather. I love that you can like wear, you know, cute little clothes and everything. But then again, I also like winter and fall because I love boots. But that's a whole nother story. Let's stay on track. I'm just gonna pull out one item. Starting with this palette from Wing Me Cosmetics, and it's the Ambitious Violet Eyeshadow Palette. That's what the palette looks like, really pretty. And it says here, it's like a wearable wildflower feel. Add a pop to your look with this set of 8 high-impacted eyeshadows in soft berry and rich violets. They are infused with marigold to add anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This is a full-size product. This runs for $24. And of course, I'm going to show you guys the colors in the palette. I love how this palette has both neutral shades and colorful shades, so you can kind of like, you know, mix and match or go with what mood you're in. Really excited about trying this. Now, the next full-size item that I'm pulling out of my goodie bag, the Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier Broad Spectrum SPF 45. That's a mouthful. But anyway, it's a pore control mattifier with SPF 45 in it. 10 hours of oil, shine, and pore control. So if you are one of those people who has like oily skin or your T-zone gets really oily, especially in summer, this will be perfect. And you just apply it to your face, neck, and chest, and you have SPF, you know, protection there, and pore control and oil control. Your face won't get all greasy and stuff, which is beautiful. This is what it looks like, and this is a full size. This, guys, has a value of $48. Beautiful, right? So the next product that I am showing you guys from Item Beauty, and it's Boost Juice Dual Ended Lash Primer and Colored Mascara. Oh, I have to open this. Awesome, because I need a new eyelash primer. So it's a dual-ended mascara. I hope you guys can see it. And then let's see, one end has the primer that's a light purplish color, and then the other side has the mascara, which is like this fierce blue color. And I love that, especially for summer when you want something a little different but not too much. You can just apply that blue color. I am really excited about this, just for a change, you know, because I always wear black and this is going to be nice for a change. Yeah, so that came in there too. Highly excited about this. The next item is from Vamigas. It's a rose-infused lip oil. Oh, there's 2 in there. These are them. They look highly moisturizing, I can say that. They don't really, this one doesn't smell like anything, but I just wanted to see. It's like a lip gloss, guys, only like it's an oil, but it feels like a lip gloss. Doesn't smell like anything, and this is the redder one. There. And that's always nice because in summer you don't always want to wear lipstick. Sometimes you want to wear a gloss, and this is perfect for that. Then the last item from Folition, Screen Time Hydra Mist with green tea and rose hip oil. This is what it looks like. And it says to use, shake well, hold bottle about 12 inches from face and spray while the eyes are closed. Apply throughout the day as needed. So this is basically a mist you put on after your makeup. It smells like a typical mist, how you would expect. We will be trying this out. And that is the last item that came in the Glam Bag Plus. It was a quick review today of these products to show you guys. I hope you saw something you liked. I hope you're thinking of getting the Glam Bag, and if not, that's perfectly fine too. Maybe my next video will convince you that these bags are amazing. Make sure you look below this video for that link to the IPSY website so you can look into maybe ordering one or both of these bags. Now, having said that, that brings me to the end of my video. Make sure you tune in again next week for another video. That's it for me for now. Make sure you check out my other IPSY videos. I'll link some up here. And like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys again next week.